Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. This is an old cassette player or Walkman. As you can see, ultrasonic receiving sensor connected to the two wires. The wires coming out from the head of this cassette player. I will try to open the cassette player door to show exactly what's going on. As you can see easily, the two wires disconnected from the head, and as soon as I'm pushing the play, it's going to work. I should say the amplifier inside the cassette players coming with super sensitive amplifier, and it is very good to connect any incoming sensor to the device, and also it will play the electromagnetic field easily. And as you can see, the headphone is connected to the device, and I'm not able to show you how it's working, but I should say all ultrasonic waves will detect with this device, and it is very nice to use as any detector. Thanks for watching.